In this tutorial we will walk you through the steps of integrating FactoryIO with the OCTOBUS platform. Our demonstration will focus on displaying the statuses of 3 machining centers, represented by blue, green, and gray colors on the OCTOBUS dashboard. Join us as we show you how to effortlessly connect FactoryIO to OCTOBUS in just 3 short minutes. You can see on the screen various sensors and actuators tags inside the machining center. We will send these tags to OCTOBUS. Since FactoryIO is connected to the PLC which already exposes our machining center data to the OPC server, we can get started. First, we start by creating a machining center asset type in OCTOBUS. Then, we create all measurements that belong to the machining center. Afterwards, we create 3 assets for the blue machining center, green machining center and gray machining center. Now that our assets are created, we will set up the connectivity by using Node-RED for our Edge app connected to the OPC server inside the PLC. First, let's create a client in the OCTOBUS platform. For this, we will go to the Client tab, create a new client and select Node-RED for client type. Then we create one dataflow. Please, select the OPC for protocol option. In this tutorial we will omit the security and authentication steps for easier understanding of the process. All we need still at this moment is an OPC endpoint for the parameters and then we can start mapping the measurement. Please, select the blue machining center asset and select all the measurements. As you can see, we just need a node ID for each measurement inside the OPC. You can use any OPC client which you prefer to browse the node ID. After you get the node ID, please paste it to OCTOBUS and select the sampling method. In this tutorial we will set them all to the subscribe method. Done. Please repeat these steps for the rest of our assets. Now the mapping is done. The next step is to ask OCTOBUS to generate the configuration for us, so that we don't have to do it by ourselves. Just copy it and open our Node-RED. In the Node-RED make sure that you have already installed the OCTOBUS connector library and OPC library. To do this, you can go to the Manage Palette menu and find these libraries. After that we can start importing our configuration. Please, go to the Import menu and paste our configuration. As you can see here, all of the nodes are automatically created. The last thing we have to do is to click Deploy. Now all of our data is being sent to OCTOBUS. Let us see it on our dashboard. In this brief tutorial, we demonstrated just how simple and hassle-free it is to connect FactoryIO to the OCTOBUS platform. With the combination of these 2 powerful tools, you have an exceptional opportunity to deepen your knowledge of automation technologies, simulate a range of automation processes and hone your troubleshooting skills before applying it in real life. Start learning now. Subscribe to OCTOBUS at worldwideweb.octobus.asia and get a 1-month free trial.